Carlo and I are at the intersection of West Weber, Plain City, Taylor, and Hooper, and this building was along the heart of all these communities way out west. Hawks General Store was built in the 1880s by Nathan and Elizabeth Hawks. Back then, dirt roads with a horse and buggy made a trip into the city an ordeal, so this store became a vital part of life. Hawks Store had it all: axle grease, Scowcroft Never Rip overalls, Pierce's pork and beans, Shoop Williams candy, bridles and harnesses from J.G. Reed's, fishing poles, cheese, lanterns, shoes, and shovels. Sometimes payment was made with cash, other times with eggs or butter. In the winter months, after the crops were in, the store became a gathering place. Farmers would crowd around the pot-bellied stove, sitting on overturned crates, talking politics, religion, or local gossip. The store has changed hands many times over the past 140 years. We're so glad that it's still here to remind our community of our deep roots.